Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today we'll be doing a short evening yoga practice for relaxation. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. So let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Bring both the hands behind your head and interlace the fingers. Rest both your thumbs on your neck. As you inhale, extend the spine and open the chest to look up towards the ceiling. As you exhale, bring the elbows together, curl the spine and bring the chin to the chest. Inhale, extend up, squeezing the shoulder blades together. Exhale, curl down, bringing the chin to the chest. We'll do it 3 more times. Inhale up, exhale down. Last time. Inhale up, exhale down, and come back to center and bring the arms down. Then bring the right hand on the outside of the left knee. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, twist towards the left, looking over your left shoulder, and let's stay in the twist for 5, 4, keep the spine long, 3, 2, and 1, and come back to center, and let's do it for the other side. Inhale, elongate the spine. Exhale, twist back for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and gently come back. Bring both the feet in front and taking support of both your hands. Keep the spine long. Inhale, elongate the spine. Exhale, drop the knees towards the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. And let's do these hip rolls 5 times. Last round. Come to center and relax. Then raise the right leg and bring the right knee on the inside of the right elbow and the right foot on the inside of the left elbow. And we are going to do Shishupalasana or cradle the baby pose. So we are just going to start rocking the baby side to side. If taking the right foot on the inside of the elbow is too difficult, you can just hold it with the left hand, and then let's just cradle the baby. Keep the spine long. 2 more times, opening the hips and relax, and let's do it for the left leg. Bring the left knee on the inside of the left elbow and take your variation for the foot, and let's start rocking the baby. Keep breathing into the stretch you feel on the outside of the left thigh and hip. 1 more deep breath and release. Then gently come onto your side and roll down to lie in Shavasana. Let your feet fall out with the palms facing up towards the ceiling. We are going to do a tense and release exercise now. So first, raise both your legs just an inch above the ground. and tense them up. Tense the legs, tense, squeezing them, squeeze, 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 and relax completely. Then raise your hips up and tense them. Tense, tense, tense the hips and relax. Then pull your lower back into the mat and keep it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And relax. Make a fist with your hands. Raise them slightly above the ground and tense them for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And relax. Finally, tense your face. Tense it, bringing all the muscles close to the nose. 3, 2, 1. And release. And relax the entire body completely. Breathe normally, letting all the muscles of the body become completely loose. Bring your attention to your toes, relaxing all the 10 toes. Relax the backs of your soles. Relax your ankles. Soften the muscles of your calves, knees, and thighs. Soften your hips, your lower back, your middle back, and upper back. Relax your fingers, your palms, and your wrists. Relax your forearms, elbows, and upper arms. Soften your shoulders and your neck. Soften the jaw, lips, and your cheeks. Soften your eyes, the space between the eyebrows and your forehead, and soften the back of your head. Relax your entire body, letting it melt completely into the mat. Then slowly bring your attention back and start moving your toes and fingers. Turn towards your side. And come up into an easy sitting position. We are going to end with 3 rounds of Bharti Pranayama. So straighten your back and roll the shoulders back. Bring the hands on either sides of the ears. Close the flaps of the ears with the thumbs and gently place your fingers over the eyelids. Take a deep breath in through the nose and keeping your lips closed, breathe out, making a deep humming sound. Slowly bring the hands down, keeping your eyes closed. We are going to end with an Om chant. Take a deep breath in. Bring your hands together and start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently bring your palms over your eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you found this practice helpful. I'll see you with a new session soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.